Hey guys, today I want to share with you these amazing hair removal products from Pansly, and I saw them in a Facebook ad, and since they were so popular I decided to give it a try. So today I want to show you if they really work. Let's see how to use it. First step is to shake the product well, then spray the area where I want to remove my hair. Now I need to wait about 8 minutes. It says that the hair will get curly. Last but not least, I need to use a soft tissue or towel to wipe off the hair. To get the best results, I use the hair inhibitor spray or cream, and it can prevent redness, dryness and damage after hair removal. And it can also be used after laser hair removal. Get rid of unwanted hair simply and quickly. Shaving can be annoying and time consuming. With Pansly's hair removal set, you can take the shaving out of your beauty routine. In only 8 minutes, you'll not only get beautiful, smooth and hairless skin, but your hair will also grow back thinner and slower. You'll see a difference in only 4 weeks. Pansly's hair removal is all natural, vegan and cruelty-free. It has great ingredients like hyaluronic acid, witch hazel and aloe vera, which your skin will love. It's suitable for all skin types and sensitive skin as well, and it's so easy to use. Just apply and wait. You can use it on your face, legs, arms, underarms, bikini area and pretty much anywhere you want. Say bye to razor bumps and razor burns, cuts, redness, ingrown hairs and itchy skin, and say hello to beautiful, smooth, hairless and moisturized skin.